everyone! Today I will make the stir-fried tomatoes and eggs. This recipe is fast, easy and simple, but can be a nutritious breakfast. I put the ingredients on the description below along with the direction. Prepare the vegetables first. I like peeled tomatoes, so I gently place the tomatoes into the boiling water for about 30 seconds to a minute and set aside to cool it down.
Slice the scallion thinly and finely chop the garlic and ginger. Peel the tomatoes and cut it into wedges.
Add the salt and whisk the eggs until well combined.
Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a preheated nonstick pan over medium heat and scramble the eggs. If you like fluffy scramble, filter the eggs. Transfer the scramble to another dish and set it aside.
Add another tablespoon of oil to the pan and add garlic, ginger, and scallion. Stir them and let them slowly cook to release their aroma. Turn up the heat to high and add the tomatoes. Stir it about a minute and add sugar.
Once the tomatoes are softened, add scrambled eggs, salt, and pepper for taste, and mix well and stir it for another minute.
Serve with toasted bread or rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you!